Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this topic, I'm going to explain how to access the command line in Red Hat System Administration 9.0. On the workstation, run the lab CLI-review start script to set up a clean lab. The script also copies the zcat file to student's home directory. First, we have to use the date command to display the current time, and next is we have to display the current time in a 12-hour clock. Use the +%r argument with the date command to display the current time in 12-hour clock. What kind of file is home student zcat? Is it readable by humans? Use the file command to determine its file type. Use the wc command and bash shortcuts to display the size of zcat. Now we have to display the 10 lines of zcat. Head command displays the beginning of the file. Try using escape plus shortcut again. Now we have to display the last 10 lines of the zcat file. Use the tail command to display the last 10 lines of the zcat file. Repeat the previous command exactly. Either press the up arrow key once to scroll back through the command history, one command and then press enter. Or enter the shortcut exclamation mark and then press enter. Repeat the previous command but use the -n20 option. Play the last 20 lines in the file. Use the shell history to run the date plus %r command again. Use the history command to display the list of previous commands and to identify the specific date command to be executed. Use exclamation number to run the command. And now for the evaluation. On the workstation, run the lab CLI review grade script to confirm success on this exercise. And always don't forget to finish your lab review.